So we have the new Triton code machine. It's a laser cutter, does all the high security keys. So this video here, we did a Tibby key. So we have keys have been lost to a Jaguar. So we're making keys to a Jaguar. So we got the Tibby adapter, cut the key, and I'm happy to say it worked perfectly. So we didn't have a chance to video the key working in the actual Jaguar. Customer didn't really want us to video that, but we cut the key. You'll see the video here. It successfully cut the Tibby key, and I'm really happy about that. So the Triton has passed the test of cutting accurately a Tibby key. We're going to be cutting lots of keys on it. So let's see how it does. We're going to do an extensive testing on this one. So far, I'm happy with the service. It was my fault. I broke a piece, and they sent it out within 24 hours. They overnighted me the piece, and again, my fault. I did it. I don't think you would be able to do it. I was farting around too much, and but the part came right in right away, and I don't think you would break the piece, but I did. It's what I do. So so far it's holding up extremely well. Let's you'll see more videos as we cut more and more keys on it.
Okay, 2004 X-type Jaguar. It's a Tibby key, and you can see it there. And we're gonna cut it and program it. There we go. I just get away.
You can.
Oh, it doesn't matter. Just you got to touch it. There's no way around it.
Yes, but the input. Sorry, that's me being stupid.
Will it give you the code as well once you punch in the numbers?
No.
Oh, it won't do reverse. Okay.
So that's the cuts we want. 2, 4, 1, 1, 2, 3. Okay. We want to cut it. Cut. Jaw clear debris. Yes.
See if it'll cut with it open.
Okay. Now turn key to number 2.
Okay. Oh, okay, because it's a Tibby.
Okay, they want you to turn it this way first. This is the problem.
And you have to lock it down?
Yeah,
as well? Okay.
just through there.
Put it on 2. Leave it open, see if it opens. See if
It won't, I know.
Okay. Just...
Okay. That shouldn't happen.
Okay, so it'll cut all the 2 depths. Turn key to number 3.
Okay.
I'll do it. Cut again. So that will cut all the 3s now, right? Turn key to number 4. It's pretty basic. That's pretty good. Number 2.
On the other side.
And that says
Turn to number 3.
some good directions on it.
Number 4. Turn the key to the other side.
So Tibby keys have 2 sides.
And we'll start with number 2, I'm sure. Okay.
Oh, it's just staying with the 4, right? Or what's it do? Turn to 2, like you
Nope.
said.
Nope, actually, cancel. I want to, the reason I did this is I cheated and I had it turned to 2 so it would throw the calibration.
Oh, okay.
So, now see it'll recalibrate. Now, we turned it to 2. To number 3.
So just lock her down each time. That moves it out each time, tells us what to do. Put the number 4.
Turn it to 2 on the other side.
What do we got to do after that?
3 and 4.
Okay. Number 4. And we're done.
We're done.
Key.
Take the key out. It's easier to take the whole jaw out, to be honest with you. You have to get down in here.
Oh, okay.
Turn it
And there we go.
I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Subscribe to my channel. Also, visit my website and you can see what online locksmith training I have for beginners, intermediate, and advanced, as well as my covert methods of entry and my non-destructive methods of entry.